Hi guys, hope you're good. Bit of a different video today, and one you really wouldn't expect. I've had a conversation with a prop firm, especially after the last Commentator Problems video about me discussing prop firms and how they could be detrimental to a new trader. If you want to watch that, jump in the previous videos. Anyway, a friend of mine has been using Alpha Capital Group for a while, and he can't speak highly enough of them. He said whenever they make changes that benefit traders, the other prop firms follow. So they obviously market leaders, and just some of the things that he said, I was interested to see what they were about. I dropped an email to one of the guys who runs things, and he gave me a phone call, and we had a chat for about an hour. Very similar approaches to the financial world. We both hate the marketing bullshit, for want of a better word. The come and learn my strategy, make shitloads of money. It just doesn't work like that. I've done many a video on how I believe a trader needs to approach the markets. They're all there to see. I just had a really good feeling about what they're doing, and he talked me through their plans for the future, and I got quite excited. Even though I'm really happy I'm working on my own. I can't work with people. I can't do that. But it just felt quite good to listen to what they've got planned, and part of me felt like I wanted to be involved in some way, but I don't know how. But what we agreed on is that I'll do a challenge, and I'll film myself doing the challenge, taking trades, reviewing the trades, and updating on the account balance and my progress. So that's what I'm going to do. And unfortunately, I wanted to do this video, get it out there, and then start trading, but I saw such a good opportunity on the market that I've already started trading. So we'll jump straight over and review the trade. But reasons for me wanting to do this. I understand that a lot of people in my group mentoring channel don't have access to capital to make it full-time as a trader at the moment. So I know the benefits of capital. But then when I spoke to the guys at Alpha, the things they've got planned for the future just really, really excited me. So I thought, I don't even know what we can do together, but let's just get something out there and see how it happens. But I'll be completely honest, if I'll just give the full review about the process, and if they don't like what I'm putting out there, and so they say, oh, we don't want to work with you, I don't care. Like, it's, I'm straight down the line. I'll just report on what I see and what happens. So I'm pretty sure it'll all be good, but let's see. Another note, my own style of risk management, I don't feel it suits prop firm trading. So I'm going to have to make some adjustments, and I've already made one mistake in the trading, which you'll see. And I really understand why people get emotionally attached to these challenges, because I'm putting it out there into a public forum, my trading, to be judged. So I'm really, like, I don't want to make a mistake. I want everything to be right. And it almost, trades that I would take on my personal account, because I don't care about the consequences, I almost second guess myself on this challenge account. So let's see how that works out through the challenge as well. It's all... I've done challenges before with FTMO. I've been a funded trader with them, but I just prefer trading my own capital, and it's just my own personal choice, which I'm lucky to have. Well, not lucky at all, because I built up that over the years. So anyway, let's review the trades and then see how it goes. Cheers, guys.
So I am currently seeing US 500 and US 30 causing market flows, dollar strength, but we're seeing them both hit levels now with the extremities of a daily range. So there's a potential that we're going to get a pullback across dollar pairs, but we just have to be careful in case this just decides to smash straight through. So let's take the buy on cable, and then keep an eye on stocks to see what happens there. So we're currently live in a cable buy, pound US dollar, due to the fact that we've had market flows this evening and US stocks have just hit a level at its daily range. So I feel that there's a high probability that there'll be some respite in the market flows which should allow some pullbacks against the US dollar. So we'll see how that works, and I'll update later. First trade on the challenge, a little bit sooner than I wanted, but I couldn't really miss this opportunity, so I had to just jump straight in. So let's see how that goes, and I'll update later. Just an update on the cable buy from yesterday. So we had the yen, Bank of Japan rate decision, and inflation, and their plans for how they're going to control the yield curve overnight. And I made a not schoolboy error, but this is part of the reason I never really trade funded accounts, and I have done in the past, but I sort of just gravitated back to just trading my own account, which I'd built up over the years, because it was my rules, and I'm happy to stick within my own personal risk parameters. So overnight, before I went to bed, the trade was in profit, and I decided to put my stop loss below the lows with the Bank of Japan data and speech in mind. And the trade was actually stopped out by I think it was 0.25% loss on that. But I re-entered the market when I woke up, because I hadn't seen what I wanted to see from the move anyway, so that was fine. But it was just a bit of a blip to start. So we're currently, we had the loss there down below, and then I re-entered the market this morning, and we're currently the account is currently 2.25% in profit equity wise. I may look to take some off this position shortly, and then have a fresh start on Monday. I wasn't planning on taking a trade so soon. I wanted to get the video live, but when I see an opportunity and I have the account details, I have to go for it. The trade was completely based around the moves on the US stock market yesterday. There was no sort of level or trigger for entry on cable. It was all based around the stock market move, and the cable pound US dollar was just the vehicle to profit from that. I could have taken the trade on the US stock market itself, but I'm a currency trader. I like to just trade currency pairs, so hopefully get this one in the bag, and then we can start Monday, and we'll have a little bit of a buffer to go and see if we can get the 10% required to pass the challenge. So I'll update on Monday morning to see what I'm looking at in the market, and then what the process is. I'll update on a Monday evening as well to see what trades I had and what played out, and just update on the account balance. And I'll do that until the end of the challenge. So hope it helps some of you. Update on the cable trade. I'm fully out now. We had the bit of a mishap due to me covering my ass with the Bank of Japan stuff on Thursday evening through the night into Friday morning, and then I re-entered the market when I woke up and got on the computer, and the move that I wanted to see played out. So it was nothing to be concerned of there. Just a little bit down on the capital I would be on otherwise, but small price to pay for not ruining a challenge on your first trade. So my target area was actually here, but I took my profit at the first target area there, and then the second one I was just finishing for the day and going out, so I wasn't prepared to just hold on for another 5 or 6 pips. So I closed, and we're done. The account balance is 203,856. So just under 2% in profit now off the first trade. So I'll be back Monday morning with a look across the market to see what I'm interested in, and then I think I'll work it like that, and then I'll update on a Monday evening what trades I've entered during that day, and if I get a chance, I'll do some live footage as well, film myself what I'm looking at and what trades I'm actually taking. So hopefully there'll be some good content, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Thank you.